Welcome to the Practical Excel 2016 Power Pivot and Advanced Business Intelligence Tools course. By now you should have finished the companion Practical Excel 2016 Pivot Tables and Pivot Charts course. If you haven't, you should go back and finish it before you move on to this course. If you have finished the first course, you probably think you are a pivot table master. Well, you know a lot more than most Excel users, but there is still much more you can learn. By taking the current course, you will move into an elite group. You will learn a set of skills that are not only highly valued, but are rarely found in Excel users, even in highly competent and advanced Excel users. The tools you will learn in this course are generally referred to as self-service Power BI, or business intelligence, and they have created quite a buzz in the technology community. The term self-service implies that these tools enable typical Excel users like yourself to import, analyze, and report the data to meet your requirements without relying on IT experts to do it for you. And you can do all of this within the friendly environment of Microsoft Excel. Here is a basic outline of this course and how it consists of three main sections. The first section, importing data into Excel, has been an important theme for years. It isn't new. Over the years, Microsoft has developed a number of technologies for querying relational databases and importing the results of queries into Excel. Actually, Microsoft has not been the only software developer in this general area, but Microsoft has played a key role and continues to do so. Its newest querying tools, generally referred to as PowerQuery, represent a big improvement over older tools and is well worth learning. This course will include brief discussions of older tools and more detailed discussions of the new PowerQuery tools. The majority of this course, the second section, is devoted to the PowerPivot add-in. PowerPivot was originally introduced as a free add-in for Excel 2010, and it is now packaged with Excel 2016, at least with versions Professional Plus and higher. PowerPivot is already recognized as a key tool for performing serious data analysis with Excel. You will learn how PowerPivot enables you to import data from various sources into the so-called data model, and how you can use it to relate tables from disparate sources, all within Excel. You will also become familiar with the PowerPivot user interface. This is not difficult once you get used to it, but the presence of a separate PowerPivot window, in addition to the usual Excel window, takes some getting used to. Finally, this second section of this course includes a number of videos on DAX, the formula language for PowerPivot. DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, is the aspect of PowerPivot that has the potential to transform you from a very valuable employee to an absolute star. Beginning DAX formulas can look straightforward, even easy, but they can become extremely complex. This is why DAX experts are so valuable. They can use DAX to create pivot table reports, often exactly the pivot table reports their companies really need, that would be impossible to create without an advanced knowledge of DAX. The last section of the course illustrates how two other components of the Power BI suite, PowerView and Power Map, can be used to create insightful reports and maps in a matter of seconds. We indicated that the preceding course in this series, the course on pivot tables, could take your Excel skills to a whole new level. Although this is definitely true, the Power BI tools you will learn in this course will make you a true Power user. So strap on your seatbelts and get ready to learn some great new Excel tools.